folks, welcome back to the channel. It's so hot outside right now that I decided to do this intro for this video inside with the air conditioning and a fan on me because I'm a wuss. Today's video is about the Borsang Umbrella Factory here in Chiang Mai, and we went and visited that when my friends from the US were here, and this is the footage and pictures from that. You can turn this into a more of a full day tour if you go ahead at the same time and go visit the Silver Temple, which is fairly close to the Borsang Umbrella Factory. And in between the two of them, you can there's this restaurant that serves maybe the best yes. Every time I've tried to do an intro for a video in here, my wife walks in on me. Yes, baby, what do you want?
Sticky rice. Half kilo.
Half kilo?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got to go to the market and get some sticky rice. I'll finish this when I get back. Okay, I'm back from the market. Got the wife the sticky rice for her and her mother. I've totally lost my train of thought, but anyhow, that's what today's video is about, and hope y'all enjoy it. So I'll talk at y'all later. Okay, before you visit the Silver Temple after going to the Umbrella Factory, there's this restaurant that it's a noodle shop basically, and it has the best khao soi gai in all of Chiang Mai. There's literally tour van loads of people that eat there every single day, and there's a little one of the vendors right there at that restaurant sells some really good chicken on a stick. So if you decide to make a tour out of the Umbrella Factory and Silver Temple, you need to stop at that little restaurant or that little noodle shop and eat their khao soi gai and chicken on a stick. That's what I lost my train of thought when the wife came in. Now here's the video. see your hat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 50.
Let's see your hat.
Thank you.
Did this for your bag?
Yep.
Yeah, let me see it. Oh, that's pretty. This is my hat. Up, been down. You got a couple of sharks up there.
Fish.
Sharks?
Oi.
Sharks.
Shark.
Boy.
Boy, not shark. I said shark, not like that.
You just moved your camera into my focal view.
How's that?
Yeah, but I'm not getting the picture on.
Beautiful สวยเนาะจ้าเนี่ย
I need to be
ตอน
up
แรกเอาสีขาวฟ้าสีนึกว่ามันจะออกมาเป็นหูมันอย่างกลายเป็นหูนกงามขนาดจ้างโต๊ะแดง
here. Big arm.
beautiful
I can't. I'm
Yeah.
holding it. Oh,
Yeah.
God.
Now she painted me.
She knows exactly how to make it pretty ต้องเรียนเมินก่อนนี่เนี่ยมันต้องมีหัวด้วยเนาะต้องมาคิดตรงไหนจะสวยงาม งามขนาด beautiful